is significantly cooler. The weather's kind of strange. The sky is all purple. No, the sky is all browny. Sewage color, as I like to refer to. Really see it in the sun. See that smoky, kind of poo-poo-y look? Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome back. It's Charlie. It is Friday morning, Saturday night, 2022. It is about, let's see, 8:19 in the morning. It's like 82, 83 compared to the couple days ago. At this time, it's very much more humid. And as you can see, it's bright and yellowy diffused from the fires. It's kind of a icky day. Waking up to everybody now, the whole entire world that probably slept through everything. Just now finding out about the Queen's death. It was so sad. It really bothers me. I don't think I don't know if a lot of younger folks understands that she was the longest reign in the monarchy of England, and she made her changes. She diligently, from birth to child, and to young lady, and she had her positions in life, whatever it may be, and she did what was expected and beyond, honestly, in my opinion. She ended up sitting where she sat for the longest time. So, yeah, and like any, I think a lot of people, especially a lot of younger folks, and again, when I say that, it's just the age and the generation and everything, because so much that's happened. Well, it's honestly, a lot has happened to my generation over the course of the last 3 years. My generation seems to have gotten more stupider, and we were the last generation to actually get taught, well, have a decent education. So, and most of my generation didn't teach our kids. So, can't really blame too much the young folks, though. Yeah, they're the ones that did everything, but it was also the parents not correcting things. But the Queen's death is a lot more than just an end to something. It's a power struggle, though. Right now, the world economy is kind of hanging in balance and everything, because all eyes on Charles right now, and the news, one of the news anchor persons said kind of something that was really creepy, and it's true when you stop and think about it, is that Charles has been prepared for this all his life. Yeah, we kind of remember all of this in a creepy way, almost in a, not quite Joe Biden, but just creepy. The reign of power, the wanting of power and everything. So, will the power remain? Will the monarchy remain? Will it be dissolved? Say it's past its time. It's so weird, We'll see. We'll see how things progress through the day. And this is Friday, so events of this magnitude, historic events of this magnitude, that begin more or less on a weekend, on a Friday. A lot of things can happen during Saturday and Sunday. especially when here in the United States when things are shut down, economic-wise, business transactions and everything like that. So I don't know, just really say anything. I'm just saying it's just a little more cautious. I'm just a little more cautious, trying to prepare for the fall and the winter and see what happens, because that's usually the pinnacle point for our politics to go awry, and when people are disadvantaged, hungry, cold, and desperate, scared, and not well informed, we Americans tend to make the wrong decisions. So make your purchases now. If you haven't already done your Christmas shopping, start now. Start last 2 months ago, because things are really going to get expensive. That building, about 3 months ago now, it seems like, had a car running right into it. All glass walls like that. For Queen Elizabeth. Holy cow, I don't I think it's because we're down here in the bowels of hell. No, but it is significantly much more humid down here. Whoa, I just got off that TWA plane on the Tampa tarmac again. Whew, holy cow. And it's stuffy here. Right now, the wind is dead calm down here, and the only way we're going to get any kind of breeze is when the trains come and kind of do their vacuum and push thing through the tunnels. It's fun when you're in the big city. You can feel you already know when the train's approaching by the air pressure pushing and stuff like that. So I think I got, holy cow, 2 minutes left. Yay! As we say goodbye, good night, and hello world. Look at the difference. Oh, and it's just starting to sprinkle. It's 3 million degrees cooler. I know, I'm exaggerating, I know. And it's actually starting to drip. And the breeze, oh my God, it's lovely. It's lovely. Still have to go down and run a couple of errands, go home, come back, do it all over again. Off for a couple of days. Keep going. I'm gonna start throwing that money in, getting stuff done, especially Christmas stuff right now. In case you folks haven't heard or didn't know, next week is supposed to be, I think talks are to be going through this weekend. Don't know off the hand, but next week is the rail strike, so there's a good chance that we might have a strike on the rail. And then once again, you know, if heaven forbid we do have a strike, we'll have more prices go up. It's just, yeah, to say that they are less than predictable on the left, it seems, you know, well, there it is. So Just keep that in mind. It's never going to stop. If you vote left, again, you can see it's raining. Hey, it gives me a chance to break in my new umbrella I bought. So, anyway. Alright, friends, I'm going to end it here. Kind of hustle and try to get to where I'm going. Oh, this is nice. Spectacular. Can you kind of see over there? It's really, yeah, those mountains are going to get it, if not already. It's nice. It's so pleasant. I love it. Folks, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, but always take care of yourselves first. Love one another. Trust one another. Be kind to each other. Help one another. Don't take today for granted or any other day thereafter. Live for the moment. Pull down your pants and slide on that ice. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, we're doing, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button. Tell your friends and family about me, about us, what's going on. Yeah. Tragedy in Europe. I'm very bummed. I do fear and pray and hope for the best for Great Britain. I hope they are not too torn asunder. I hope Charles sits in that throne, takes that scepter, and rules as wisely and as smartly as his mother did. So we'll see. All right, my friends, any comments, good or bad, please post. If not, email. And that's it. I love you all. Stay safe, be smart, and be kind. Bye-bye. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Actually, I think this weekend or next weekend, but I think it's this weekend. TLC luxury. Nice charters. Look at that.